Let's take a quick look at the comparison operators. Again, they work the same way. So if we try to compare every value in every column to, say, a number 5, well, you can't compare a string to a number, so this will not work. We can, however, look at our bike's number data frame and compare it to, let's say, a number like 15. So every single number is compared to this value 15. And we get back a Boolean data frame. So every column will be a Boolean column. So that's how these work. You can, for instance, compare strings. So let's do the select data types again. And let's select the object data frame. And we'll just compare every value to the string male. So that works because we're comparing strings to another string. Same way you could do that with a date time. That would also work if you select just the date time objects. All right, so that's how the data frame comparison operators work.